Alright, this is my 2010 Eastern Traildigger bike check. First we got the plastic purple Eastern pivotal seat. Pretty nice, white. Tektro brake lever and cable. Brakes are nice. Eastern Medusa sprocket. 25.9. Hub's pretty loud. Nice. Double wall back rim and single wall front. Eastern Traildigger hollowed out forks. I don't know if you can see that, but they're hollowed out. The Eastern stock stem has really no brand. I don't remember what size of the bars, but they're pretty wide. I think they're 9 up degrees. Very nice. Horrible grips. I guess some new ones. Eastern cranks. Eastern plastic pedals. Not very good. No tread. Burnout back tire. Tread. Burnout front. Eastern hub. Pretty nice. And that's about it.